Hello everybody, in this lesson I will help you learn how to plot fractions on the number line. So let's get started right away. The first task is to plot fifths. So we have this number line, we have 0 on one end and we have 1 at this end, and we have to plot fifths, the fractions 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So how do we do that? Well, for that purpose, we will have to divide this distance from 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. So I have done that for you here. So the distance from 0 to 1 has been divided into 5 equal parts, and now this point here will be the fraction 1 over 5 because it is at a distance that's 1 part away from 0. This point here will be the fraction 2 over 5 because it's at 2 parts away from 0. This point here will be the fraction 3 over 5 because it's 3 parts away from 0, and this point here will be the fraction 4 over 5 because it's 4 parts away from 0. So we have successfully plotted fifths. Okay, now the question is plot 4 over 6 on the number line. So for that purpose, we will have to divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 6 equal parts first because we need 4 over 6. So we need 6 equal parts. Now, one way to do this somewhat accurately is to first divide the distance into 2 equal parts. So if I look at zeros over there, ones over here, and I draw a mark in the middle, now I have 2 equal parts, and then each of those parts I can divide into 3 equal parts. So something like this. So now I have 6 equal parts into which I have divided the distance from 0 to 1. So where do you think 4 over 6 should lie? So 4 over 6 should be 4 parts away from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point here should be the fraction 4 over 6, and that completes this question. Okay, now we have to plot the shaded fraction. So we are given this shaded fraction in this picture, and we have to plot that fraction on this number line. So how do we do that? We first find out what that fraction is. So this square here has been divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 of those 4 parts are shaded. So the shaded part represents the fraction 3 over 4 because 3 of the 4 parts are shaded. So now we have to represent the fraction 3 over 4 on this number line. So for that purpose, we will have to divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts first. So first I'll split that into 2 equal parts, then each of those parts into 2 equal parts each. So now I have 4 equal parts, as you can see here, and I need 3 over 4. So 1, 2, 3. So this point here should be the fraction 3 over 4. All right. Now the question is, the point A shows 5 over 7, true or false. So 0 is over there, 1 is over here at this end. Let's first find out the number of equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 equal parts. So this denominator here seems to be correct. But what is point A, and how far away is point A from 0? So point A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts away from 0. So point A is actually 4 over 7 and not 5 over 7. This is a common misconception where some students, instead of counting the number of parts, they count the number of marks. So first mark, second mark, third mark, fourth mark, fifth mark, and some students might say that because A is the fifth mark, this is 5 over 7, but you have to count the number of equal parts, and the number of equal parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore A is 4 over 7. So this is false. So that completes our lesson. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.